Good morning, class. I am Teacher Roger, and you can call me Teacher Roger. Understand?
Yes, teacher.
Now, I will ask you some questions. Who can still remember our previous topic? Anyone? Okay, Princess. This
About reality and fantasy, teacher.
Very good. And what is fantasy? Anyone? Okay, Princess.
Fantasy is something that is impossible to happen, teacher. So it's beyond your imagination.
Very good, Princess. How about the reality? Anyone? Other hand. Okay, got it.
Reality is something that happens in real life.
Okay, very good. Since you are already understand our previous topic, are you ready for our another topic?
Yes. Yes,
Good. So before tayo proceed na sa atong next topic, I will isa din ako gusto mo kanta.
Sabi teacher. Okay.
Ay gusto mo kang kanta? Ang atong katawang is all about sa pinasa dahil. Okay, si teacher sa ang unang mo kanta. And after me, kamo nang kanta. Kanta. Okay? Tingnan niyo itong Sheldon. Ito lang. Very good. Now, listen to enjoy sa atong activity. Very good. Una na, ako'y mga question about sa atuang ikanta. Okay, the first question is, what do you observe about the lyrics of the song? Sa iyong observe? What are the words na iyong learn about the song? Anyone? Okay, Ariana.
Teacher, isa ka text kailangan siya 3 like parts. Main idea, key sentence, and the supporting lyrics.
Okay, very good. Nasa song na type, the idea, key sentence, and the supporting Okay. Word. Ayan. Okay, go. Pag mayroon go, dapat mo. Lakaw. Go. Okay. See? Okay, ako na lang awit. Okay, ba? Sige, kung ikaw sa word, ano yung kasi? Okay, okay. Ano ang word yung kasi? Very good. Agahan, tutulong ang palakpak. Ang go one. Yes. Okay, form line. Kunin ako. Go. This sentence is correct. Now, 1 point. 1 point. It's a tie. Okay. Next. Now. Go. Okay. Okay. One point. Last word na lang. Ang mga loud and is mga Go. Very good. Now, what are those words na yung na-learn? Okay, go. Okay? Minutes out. Very good. Agahan, tutulong ang palakpak si Ruby. Okay. Do you want another activity? Activity. Okay. Sa atong activity, wala siya ang instruction. You are going to participate in an activity called Main Idea is Scramble. Sa ganang activity karon? All you need to do is to arrange that passage from the main idea to supporting details, and after you answer, kindly choose one representative. Pila ka representative? Okay. To present in front. You are given 5 minutes to finish your task. Okay. But before that, I will group you into two groups. Group 1, group 2. Okay. Ano siya? Okay. Group 1. Start. Kami ay coordinators. Are you done?
Not yet. We're done, teacher.
Are you done, Goku?
Yes,
Okay.
teacher.
Are you done? One. Are you done, Goku? One.
That's it.
Okay. And can you choose one person that you can say, ma'am? Okay. Okay, group 1, group 2 ay pangunahan muna natin. Tapos,
Teacher, we were assigned to arrange this jumbled sentences and identify the parts of the
yes.
sentences. First, we have the main idea. The paragraph tells us that swans are majestic. It talks about the main point or central point. And then we have the key sentences. Swans are the most majestic of the waterfalls. And then we have some supporting details of the swans. They are graceful in the air and stately on the water. These large waterfalls have long necks, heavy bodies, and big teeth, and they are the largest animals in the duck goose family.
Very good. And you give 3 claps to the group 2. Okay. What is the main idea of this passage?
The paragraph tells us that swans are majestic.
Very good. How about the key sentence?
Swans are the most majestic of the waterfalls.
And the rest,
details is she makes sure that we can have whatever the family needs. And she managed to do household chores and guide me in my module at the same time. And she wakes up early in the morning to prepare our breakfast, and she makes me feel better when I'm sick. That's
Okay,
all.
very good. Give three class sa group 1. Okay, sa group 1 na output, what is the main idea? It's what? The sentence. The rest like which ang mga details. Very good. Since we are done for our activity, I will introduce you our topic for this discussion. It's all about history. Children, very good. And before we begin to discuss our discussion, I will make first our objectives. Okay, grade 4, please read our objectives. Great. Do you want another activity? Very good. Our next activity, but before that, I will group it into 3 groups. Okay. Since gamera ka, I will group it into 2 groups na lang kay since gamera ka. And then, okay, same group yan po. Group 1, group 2. And sa group 1, please read the instruction. Group 1,
You are going to do an activity called color coding. First, you need to arrange the main idea, key sentence, and supporting details. After you arrange it, you will color the main idea yellow, key sentence pink, and supporting details orange, and present them in front of the class. You are given 5 minutes to finish the task.
very good. Wala yung question sa instruction? Sa atin ba?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Group 2, ano siya ang mga instruction? Please read.
You are going to do an activity called Main Idea Ice Cream Cones. You are given a short passage. All you need to do is to identify the main idea, key sentence, and supporting details, and write inside the ice cream cone. You are given 5 minutes to finish the task. Choose one representative to present your output.
Okay, before we start, any questions sa?
Wala, teacher.
Okay, very good. But before we start, sa activity, ano siya ang criteria? Cooperation, lahat ng may points pa. Ang proper members are moderate. Organization, yung activity time, dapat highly organized. And time frame dapat matapos ng mga output within period of means
5 minutes.
Okay, and that's for this presentation. Okay, let's start. Okay, group 2, muna siya yung mga code.
We are so done, teacher. We're done, teacher.
Okay, my name is for possible.
Teacher, maayo please lang kayo, teacher. Dili na mo makulit ang pangalan. Ay. Thank you, teacher.
Okay, and this is your Are you done?
Yeah, yes,
Okay, can I choose one of the team that will each group? Okay, isa na pala na naman.
Group 2, teacher.
Since you are the first to lead the class, kindly choose
Go,
one.
attention!
Yeah, direction. What is your task?
Arrange the ano teacher, the main idea, the case sentence, and supporting details into a whole ice cream. So the main idea is in the top picture, which is the swan and majestic. Then this is the case sentence teacher. Swans are the most majestic of the waterfalls. Then this is the supporting details teacher for this one. That's all.
Okay, very good. Give class. Yeah. Okay, tama ba? Tingin mo sa group ko?
Yes, teacher.
Good. For that, mix ka po sa criteria. Okay? Sa population, tagaan mo ang grupo o bilang din gusto.
Right, teacher, pinag-help kami naman.
Sa organization,
Five, teacher. Next tayo, teacher.
as we observe that highly organized ang ilang output. Yan, 5 points. Sa time frame, organize. That of 5 points. Okay? The time frame. Una sila naman sa sakto na oras. And nag-aaral sila of 4 points. Okay? Ano ba? Presentation. As we observe that si Ubi is highly confident in present. And nag-aaral sila of okay? Ang group 1 nakatotal of ilan na? 94. 94. Okay? Tagaan mo pala ba ang isa-isa? Okay. Now, we are done sa ating activity. Okay, let's proceed sa discussion. Okay, again, class, what are those words na yung na-learn sa activity? Okay, ayan.
Main idea, key sentences, and supporting details.
Good. And now, ako na masaya mo sa sa'yo ang main idea, key sentence, and supporting details. Okay? Ang main idea daw, sa pag-iibasa ng children,
The main idea or central or most important point the author wants to convey in sentence of writing or express as a single summarizing sentence.
very good. Ang main idea, kasagalan ng main idea,
Central or most important point.
okay, wala siya ang central, o dito central, wala siya ang pinaka-central yun sa passage. And the main idea, mostly, makita natin siya sa first line. As we observe, din na, ang main idea, makita natin siya sa, asa na makita?
First line.
First line. Okay? And in other words, ang main idea, kung siya pinaka-importante yun sa passage. Hindi mahigit sa passage para katulay.
Main idea.
idea. Yung anak ka-importante ang main idea. Okay, nasa ka ng main idea?
Yes, teacher.
May siya sa main idea.
Walang teacher.
Good. Next, let's proceed to sa next.
Key sentence.
Key sentence. Okay. This grade class.
A key sentence contains the main idea of a paragraph and is expressed in a complete thought.
Okay. In other words, ang key sentence, ano siya ang key. Diba yung hindi na sumahong ang supporting details na walay key sentence. Just like the subway pag susunod ka sa balay, sa atong unang kahon, before na masunod.
At sa basos? Anong
Sa subway kahon,
susi?
susi. Hindi na masunod sa kwarto or sa balay, walay susi. Ano ang key sentence? Okay? Ang key sentence contains the main idea of the paragraph and is expressed in a complete thought. Hey, sorry. Is that the key sentence?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. What's that the last?
Supporting details.
Okay, supporting details is read that
It makes up the body of the paragraph with leading details to support the main idea through facts, examples, explanations, details, or descriptions.
okay, kung saan ang supporting details, muli siya ang the body. Diha na makita ang explanation sa main idea. And isa pa, mga examples. Examples to talk about kung saan kasama sa main idea. And also, and supporting details are connected sa kasamaan.
Main idea.
Main idea of
Key sentence.
sentence. Dili ma at the same time, ang supporting details ay it gives life sa kasamaan.
Main
Main
idea.
idea. Dili mabuhi ang main idea pagkalay.
Supporting
Again,
details.
ang supporting details are the body.
Of the paragraph.
That's already awesome. Class?
The bees. Bees are varied and has differences depending upon the species. Social bees are members of colonies cooperating with others to build the nest, making and protect the young. Solitary bees care only for themselves and their immediate growth. Parasite bees or guest bees have double body parts, collect pollen, and do not feed or care for their offspring.
Okay? All you need to do is to Saman. Is to arrange. What's the right instruction?
You rewrite story picture.
Okay, right? Ano siya? Bees. Bees. Ano yung so? Ano yung so? First, nasunod tayo Saman.
Main
Idea.
idea.
Sunod.
Key sentences.
Last one is
Supporting details.
details. Okay? Anyone who wants to volunteer? Okay, ayan.
Saan ko ito na teacher?
Main idea.
Cannot laugh.
Okay, very good. Ano siya?
Main idea.
Okay, Ang instruction, read first the given passage and answer the following questions carefully and identify the main idea, key sentence, and supporting details based on their color. Write the answer on the space provided. Okay?
We're done, teacher!
Okay, very good. Now, since wala kasi time, finally, ako lang isip na tomorrow. Before we depart this lesson, magkakag ko o assignment. Assignment sa inyo ha. And here's your assignment. Okay, so pagsulat sa inyo ang assignment ko. Ang instruction is, you are going to create a passage. Kung saan yung buhaton? Passage or paragraph, including the main idea, key sentence, and supporting details. And underline the main idea. Kung saan yung underline na?
Main idea.
Write your answer. And write your answer on a sheet of paper. Understand?
Yes, teacher.
Any question?
None, teacher.
Clarification?
None, teacher.
Clarification?
Ah, teacher!
Okay. Since we are already done, can you please stand up? Goodbye, guys.